Good afternoon.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
So children, we are learning chapter 9.2 fraction in its lowest terms. And we have discussed two methods. Who can tell me what are the two methods we are learning to make
HCF and division. HCF and division.
division and HCF one by one. Division and
Division.
HCF.
HCF.
Okay. HCF highest common factor. I told you you can use if you want to write all the factors, then find out the highest common, or you can do two numbers together. Okay. Then division means you can divide by any numbers which is divisible for both numerator and denominator. Which number we can divide both numerator and denominator? That number we can start with for doing division method.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the last classes I was not there because of some problems. So can you explain what you told in the classes?
You are not checking the recorded sessions, Amna?
Ma'am,
that link there, it's coming in the class groups, no?
For 2 days I had to be with the dentist.
What?
For an appointment with the
Okay.
dentist. It was very far away from here. That's it.
So that link, it's not coming. Discuss what we are learning in the last class.
Now
But if any children,
okay,
if any children you are not able to see the session or any network issue, you can watch the recorded sessions. Okay, so what we learned last class only we are discussing now. So in the class we have discussed how to find the fraction in its lowest terms. Okay, so was the first method? Division method. And second method is divide by
HCF.
Okay, divide by HCF.
Divide.
Okay, Amna, we are discussing that only, what we have learned in the last class. And what is the fraction in its lowest terms? Means what? Who can tell me? Fraction in its lowest term.
It cannot be divided again.
It cannot be divided again. Means the numerator and denominator will be having common factor will be 1 only. Common factor will be 1. For both numerator and denominator, there will not be any common factors other than 1. And fraction can be reduced to its lowest term using division and HCF. That was we have learned in our last class. And today we are going to do the next. Before doing the next question, I want you want to do find the HCF. I find some children, they have doubt in doing HCF. Yes, Madhav? Yes? Okay. So I want you children, please find out the HCF of what are the numbers I'm going to give you? It's 4 and 16. Easy question I gave you. 4 and 16. I want you to do two methods. This 4 by 16 together division and write the factors of 4, factors of 16. All the children has to do these two methods. Factors of 4, you have to write, and factors of 16. Then find out the common factors. From the common factors, you can find the HCF. Two methods we are practicing because for these smaller numbers, children, 4 and 16, that these are the two numbers we have to find the HCF using two methods. Yes, Ayman. Finished? Finished? Hmm? Yes, children, wait. Some children they are doing. I want you to do both the methods. Okay. Because some questions that number to find the common factors, it will be easy. Some numbers we can do two numbers divide together. So Madhav has to tell me the answer. Madhav, what is the? Yes, Madhav. What's the HCF? 4 and 16. Highest common factor. Yes, unmute and speak. Madhav will tell, all others please mute. Okay, Madhav? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah.
then get the recorded version in YouTube of the classes.
Okay, please, Alim, please wait. Madhav. Yes, Madhav, tell the answer. I am not muted anyone. So you can say the answer.
4.
HCF
4.
4. HCF of 4 and 16
Man.
is?
4. Ma'am, and lowest term is 1 by 4.
Lowest term, no. We just find the HCF, okay? I not given any fraction to find the, this is only numbers. This is not fraction. In fraction only we will find out. So how, children, we can write factors of 4? We will write 1, 2, and 4. What are the factors of 16? 1 into 16, 2 into 18, then what's the any other numbers? Yes, Gautam. What are the factors? Tell me.
1, 2, 8.
1, 2, 8. Is there any other factor? 8 twos are 4 into 4.
4 into 4.
4. Then this
Only,
much only.
only this much.
Okay. So what are the common factors? 1, 2, and 4. So which is the highest common factor?
4.
4. Okay, children. 4 is the HCF. And if you want to do together this method, division method, some children find this method is only easy. So we can do this faster. 2 times 2, 4. 8 twos are 16. Again divide. 2, 1 into 2. 4 twos are 8. So highest common factor, children, we will not take this number. We will do only these two numbers. 2 into 2. So we can write 2 into 2 again. We can find out. So children, these are the two methods we can use to find
HCF.
HCF. So here first we can write the factors. So how we can find out the factors? You can see in which multiplication tables number 4 comes as product. In the 1 table 1 into 4. In the 2 table 2 times 2 is 4. Like the same 16. 1 into 16. 2 into 8. So it will be coming in table of 2 and 8. 4 times 4. So like that you can check the multiplication table and write the factors and then write the common factors. From the common factors you can find the HCF, or else you can do this division method. Which method, children, do you find easy?
Division method.
Division method. Children, do
Ma'am,
you like division method?
Ma'am, both are easy. Both are easy.
Both are easy. Both are easy.
Method.
Prime
both are easy.
factorization. Okay.
I have doubt. Division method.
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, by doing together, if it was 4 and 14 divided by 4, with one time we will get the answer, right?
4 and 14.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. 4 and 16.
Yes. Look at the board here.
Ma'am, I got
Yes. 4 and 16. How we have done, Angelina? Look at the board. 4 and 16. One time, if you want to do like this, 4.
Yes, ma'am. I am asking that.
Because like this, okay, but we can start with the one time you can take, but we will do prime factorization. Take prime numbers. Okay. So you can do multiply 2 into 2, 4 here like this. Okay. One more method. If you feel this division method is easy, do one more question. 5 and 15.
Ma'am, by division. Ma'am, by division.
No, like this together method.
Okay,
5
ma'am.
and
Only by together, right?
No, only this question we will do together.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished.
Finished. Ma'am, finished.
What's the answer?
5.
5. You can see that one step only we can write here. Within one step we can finish here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, for HC we will not take this here because this 1 and 3 we can't have anything to divide. So we will take only how to find the HCF? Only 5. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now I want all of you to take out your workbook. We will continue to find the fraction in its lowest terms. You can use HCF or division method. Look at the question according to the question. If they're asking do with HCF, you have to do that method. If they're asking find the lowest term using division, means you have to do like that. Yes, Gautam? Is there any doubt?
I told that I finished. A.
Read question number 14.
Reduce the fractions using the division method.
Division method, children. So here they have the question is clear. You have to use division method. So you can start dividing by 2. Okay. So if it is an even number, you can start with division with 2. Okay. So all the children, please start doing now. Now here, question number, page number 15. Page number 15. So if anyone is unmuted, no, the sound that disturbs everyone. That's why we are doing mute. So please check whether you have muted. So question number 14A. Agne finished. Okay, wait. All the children, 14A, we are going to do division method. 20 divided by 90. Now, children, dividing the numerator and the denominator, you have to do with the same number. So, you know, these are even numbers ending with 0. You can divide by 2. So, divide numerator and denominator by 2. Yes, Adil. Adil, tell me what's 20 divided by 2. Unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
20 divided by 2?
4.
20 divided by 2. 2 into which number is 20? 2 times?
10.
10. Okay. Now, divide 90 by 2 and tell me the answer. Divide 90 by 2. $90 divided by 2. If you don't know, do here. 90 divided by 2. Very easy one. Yes, Agnay, what's the answer?
25.
4 2s are. Yes, Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer? 4 2s are 8.
8. Then 0 down 8 and 2 into 5.
Children, you can do this little more faster. So 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Now check this. By which number we can divide it again? These numbers.
By 5.
By
5.
5. So this, children, you can divide it again by, divide both 10 divided by 45 divide by 5. Find out the answer.
2 by 9.
Wait. All of you do alone. 10 divided by 5. 5 times which number is 10? 5 2s are 10. 5 times which number is 45? 9. So children, what is the answer here? 2 by 9. Can you divide this again?
Yes, by 10. No, ma'am, we can divide
We cannot divide 2 and 9 because there is no common factors to divide 2 and 9. And the common factor is only, we can say that is 1. So what is the final answer? 20 divided by 90, 2 by 9.
Ma'am, HCF is 10, so we can divide easily.
Yeah, because here they have asked use division method. That's why. So here reduce the fractions using the division method. Next question 63 by 84. All of you do it now alone. Question number B. Alone. Angelina finished. Question number B. Yes. What's the problem? Huh?
Ma'am, you have given homework, ma'am. 13B.
Okay, what's the answer?
2 by
2
7.
by
2
7.
by 7. Okay. That I have sent the note. Okay, you can check.
Ma'am, 14A, we should just do like dividing streaks and
Yes,
like
yes.
that.
Because the question is use the method division method. That's why.
Can you
Here
share
question
the
number
board
13.
once more?
We have to use HCF.
Ma'am, can you share the board once more? Ma'am, we can write like this itself.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
If they are giving like reduce using HCF means children you can use that method. If they are asking use division method means you have to do division. So children, when you check 63 is an odd number, 84 is an even number, you cannot use 2. You cannot use 3. So you have to check which number you can use for finding the, to find the reduced or lowest form. Question number 14b. By which number we can divide the given fractions? 63 by 84.
Ma'am, it is divisible by 3, right?
If it is divisible by 3, you start divisible by 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3, then start with divide by 3.
Ma'am, first one 21.
Wait. Let everyone finish. Yes, Bharadwaj. 63 divided by 3. Can you tell me? Here. 6 divided by 3. I cannot hear what you are speaking. 21 by.
28.
Yes, Angelina, can you say what is 84 divided by 3?
21 divided by 28. Ma'am, 21 by 28.
3 2s are 6, 24. 8 3s are 24. Now, children, check again whether you can divide this 21 divided by 28. Is there any other common factors?
No,
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
No?
No.
No. First number is divisible by 3,
Yes,
but second number is...
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayman. Ayman is giving the answer with the hand. Yes, Ayman.
Yes, ma'am.
That. Yes, children, tell me which by
Man,
which
7,
number
7,
you can
7.
divide
Man,
both the
7.
numbers?
Man, 7, 7.
Yes, very good. Divide by 7 and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, what's the answer, Ayman?
Ma'am, 3 by 7. 3 by
Divide by
4.
7, divide by 7.
Ma'am.
Yes.
3 by 4. Ma'am, you stop my video.
Who is that?
Agne.
Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, 3 is the right 3.
Ma'am, near Gautam. Ma'am, 3 by 4.
3 by
4. 3 by 4.
Only this much you
Okay.
should write. Only this much you should
Yes,
write.
only this much we are writing, 3 by 4.
Ma'am, can you write continuous?
Continuous also we can write.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can write, if you want to write, divide the numerator and denominator by 3.
Ma'am,
Then
can we
divide the
write
numerator
this?
and denominator by 7.
Ma'am, can we write it in one line like 63 by 8?
Yes, yes, you can continue. But we have placed there now, so that we can write below also.
Ma'am, but I wrote straight both.
Okay,
of
no
them.
problem. But the thing is that you have to get the answer in the lowest form.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
children?
have it for
3, ma'am. Well, ma'am, there's 3 also, right, ma'am?
Yes, 3 by 4. The answer is 3 by 4. You want to see the board
No,
again?
Ma'am,
Huh?
21, ma'am, 21 by 27, it can be divided by 3, right?
It's not 27.
Okay.
It is 28.
Okay, ma'am.
So 21 divided by 28 means we can divide only by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. Yes?
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
So children, question number 15. Alok, can you read question number 15?
And can I start doing
Reduce.
it?
Yes, yes, you can start.
Okay,
doing.
ma'am.
Reduce.
Reduce
Yeah.
reduce the following fraction.
Reduce the following fractions using
HCF.
HCF. Children, here you have to use the method HCF. To find the HCF, you can use any method. So who was reading that question?
Ma'am, Alok.
Yes, Alok. Continue.
Hmm.
Yes, Alok. I think his video is stuck.
Yes, ma'am. His video stuck.
Okay. So what is the question? Who can read now?
I'll read.
Okay, Gautam.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we can divide 63 and 84 by 7, right?
Yes. You can do first divide by 7, then you can do by 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you change the order also, no problem. Yes, Gautam. Yes, Gautam, read.
Reduce the following fractions using HCF. A 32 by 72. B
Okay, all of you do now HCF of question number A. I will call one by one. Otherwise, no children, when you say together, I am not able to hear properly. That's why I'm calling one by one. You can do question number 15A. (32 by 72). 32 by 72. You have to find the HCF, highest common factor. (32 by 72). Children, if you want to do, find the factors, that is okay. If you want to divide together, try to do alone, all of you. Who can tell me which is the HCF? Yes, Ayman. Yes, Agne. Please unmute one by one. Yes, unmute and speak. Ayman?
8.
8. What about Agnay?
8.
8. So divide by 8 and find out the lowest form.
Ma'am, 4 by 9.
The answer is 4 by
4 by 9.
9. 32 divided by 8.
4.
So you have to divide 32 and 72. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. So children, if you want to write factors of 32 also, you'll get 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 3, no, it's 4 and 8. Okay. Now write the factors of 72, 1 and 72, 2 and 2, 36, 3. 3 times which number is 72? 3 times 24. Then 4. Is it possible? 4? 4 and 18. Again, which number? 5 is not possible. 6 by 12. Then we have 8 into 9. So the highest common factor is 8. So children, any method you can find out, then find out the answer. 8 divided by 32 divided by 8, you will get 4. And 8, when you divide with by 72 divided by 8, you will get 9. So the answer is 4 by 9.
And can you do next one?
Yes, children, do question number B. 45 divided by 54.
Ma'am, can I tell the HCF of B?
Wait, 1 minute. 45 divided by 54. Find out HCF and divide by. Find the HCF of 45 and 54.
Can I tell the HCF?
Let me see how many finished. How many children find out the HCF? Yes, wait. We will wait for more children, then otherwise they will not finish and they will write all that.
Same as like that. We should not write the method how to get the HCF.
No need to write the method. Means you have to know how you will get write the answer. You can use any method. Division or
We should write the method, that calculation we should write in the workbook.
how, if you know, you have to write on the side.
Okay, ma'am. Pages.
Okay, tell me the children, tell me the HCF.
9.
9. All of you got 9?
5 by 6.
Yes. Okay, so divide by 9 and tell me the fraction in the lowest form.
Can I tell 5 by 6. 5 by 6.
So here 9. So you have to divide the
5 by 6.
5 by 6. Let me check. 45 by 54. We have to divide by the HCF 9. So we will know 5 times 9 is 45 and 6 times 9 is 54. Yes, the answer is correct. Okay, children, continue. C. Question number C. Next one.
Ma'am, what is this much we should write HCF equal to and 45 by 54 divided by 9.
So children, if you want to write how you can write that method, you can show. Anyway, the question is find out the HCF and you have to divide by HCF. So how you are finding the HCF, you can write, no problem.
Ma'am, I got the HCF of 6.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, can you share the board, ma'am?
Yes. So those children who finish question number C, do question number D.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, like in the there is HCF, so we can give like 45 divided by 9. Like that also we can do.
Yes, we had to do like that. 45 divided by 9. The answer I have written on the board. 5. 54 divided by 9. The answer is 6. So the fraction in its lowest form is 5 by 6. Now question number C and D. Question number C. 45 by 60. Find the HCF. HCF, you can use any method as usual. You can write the factors, then find out the common, then HCF.
Ma'am, I finished.
5 is the HCF.
Ma'am, I finished.
Wait,
five
wait.
is the-
Okay, man. Yes, children. Those finish, you can be quiet. What is the HCF of question number C? Amanat.
HCF is
Amanat, which is HCF of 15 and 6, no, 45 and 60. Yes, Amanat?
Manganatan.
Where is Amanat? Let me see with Amanat. Amanat, are you there? Yes, Ayman, what's the answer? HCF.
HCF is 15.
15. What about Agnay?
15.
Okay, how many children got 15 as HCF? Gautam told me 5. Yes?
My God.
What Gautam told me before?
3 by 4.
Ma'am,
No, I'm asking only HCF, highest common factor. So what's the highest common factor? 15.
15.
Then divide by 15.
Ma'am, 3 by 4.
3 by 5.
45 by 60 divide by 15. Here also divide by 15.
Man 3 by 5.
15 into 3 is 45.
3 by
And
4.
15 times
3
4.
by 4.
Yes, 15 times 4. So the answer is 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
By 4.
Now, if you want to check whether how you can write 45 and 60, is the answer is 15. Here, both the numbers can be divided by 5. Again, we can take 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. So, children, look here. We can see this is the lowest form. That 3 divided by 4. That is we are getting here. 3 by 4. Okay, next question, question number D. $85 divided by 119. Find out the HCF.
Oh my God.
Wait, children, wait. So children, here you have to think carefully. Don't say the answer because it is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. So you have to check with more numbers. Check with more numbers. 85 divided by 119. So you have to check the prime numbers also. Which number you can divide? some disturbance. That's why children I'm muting. Otherwise, if you are not muting, then it will disturb others. So Devak, did you get the HCF?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? HCF? 17. 17. Children, you have to check with more numbers. Here, 17. So I think if you are writing the factors, it will be easy. So Felix, did you get the lowest form? Felix?
Yes, ma'am.
When you divide by 17, what is the answer?
5 by 7.
5 by
7.
7. Very good. 5 by 7. Okay, very good, children. Here, the HCF is 17. So, children, here I think that method is easy. Writing the factors of 85. So, children, you know how we can find out the factors of 85 and 119. Write the factors of 85. You know, 1 into 85. Now, here you cannot divide by 2, divide by 3, not possible, 4 also not possible. But 5 is, this is divisible by 5. So, 85 divided by 5, 17 you will get. So, 5 times 17. This we can write the factors. This factor method is easy here, I think. Now, 119 also, you have to check 1 times 119. So here 2 is not possible. Is it possible 3? No. Then what we have to do? You have to check with the, now here 4 is not possible, 5 is not possible. So when we check with the 7, 1 into 7, 7, remainder here 4, 49. 7 sevens are 49. So 7 times 17. 7 times 17. So from here, circle the common factors. Here also 17 and here also 17. So HCF we got 17. So if you are dividing by the HCF, 85 divided by 119 divided by 17 on both numerator and denominator. So children, look at the factors. 17 times which number? 5. 5 into 17. Here 17 into 7 is. So here we'll get the answer. So the answer is correct. Okay, very good. Children, please check whether you got this answer 5 by 7. Now question number 16, we can do now. Chinmay, can you read the next question number 16? Is it not possible to read? No. Okay, Felix, read the next question. Question number 16.
Reduce the fraction using HCF. 12 by 18.
12 by 18. 12 divided by 18. So divide by which number? Is there any method given? They are not said. Reduce the given factors using HCF. So first you have to find the highest common factor. Find out highest common factor. All of you find out alone. Yes, Rohit, what is the HCF?
6.
6. So you have to divide by HCF is 6. So you can take 12 by 18, divide by 6. Here also divide by 6. So what's the answer? Rohit?
2 by 3.
2 into 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay, do the next question. C, B. Children. And find out the answer.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Okay, there was a, I think, network problem. That's why. So children, anyone completed 16 question B?
Ma'am, finished.
I will ask one by one. Otherwise, children, you will not able to hear properly. Ammu. What's the answer?
Ma'am,
Of question? B. What's the answer of question number B?
9. Ma'am,
Yes, Ammu. Can you hear me? Are you speaking?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the question? 27 by 54. What is HCF?
9.
Divide by 9 and
9.
check whether it is divisible again. When you divide by 9, what you will get? 27 divided by 9, 3. Yes. 54 divided by 9,
Yes, ma'am. 3
6.
and
3 by
5.
6. 3 by 6 you will get. Check
Ma'am.
again, it is divisible again. 3 by 6. Can you divide again?
I know.
Yes, Gautam.
27.
Yes, ma'am.
27 is the HCF. 27. Okay, so what is the fraction?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, very good. Children, please check. If you divide by 9, means you have to do one more time division. So here the question was 27 divided by 54. Find the HCF. 27 divided by 54. You can divide by 3. Start with 3. 9 3s are 27. 1, 3 is 3, 24, 8. Again, you can start with 3 3s are 9, 9. Then here 6. Again, you can divide by 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 into 3, 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 is the highest common factor. Now by this HCF, we have to divide both the numerator and denominator. So 27 divided by 27 is 1. 54 divided by 27. What's the answer? 2. 27 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 1 2 into 4. 54 you'll get. So the answer is 1 by 2. Is there anybody have doubt here, children? Anyone has doubt? Yes, Ammu? Understood? When you do 9, if you are dividing by 9, again you have to do again one more time, divide by 3. Okay, so children complete C and D now. C and D. Yes, Angelina, ask.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes, I will share the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we divide together, last we get 1 and 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. And when we do other questions also, last two numbers are
We can check like this also. By
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
Yesterday, Anandesh told me that he is observed here when the last that is 1 by 2, we can write this fraction 1 divided by 2. Yes? In all the cases, it is true? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Last, reduce the following fraction using STF.
Okay, okay. Yes, Anandesh, yesterday you told me this. Yes? You messaged me. Yes, Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is coming true always?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So children, you can find out like that also the reduced form. That you can check after doing. Okay. Now question number C and D. All of you.
Man, CA finish.
Okay. Then do question number D. Blesswin, find out the HCF. Blesswin. Did you get the HCF?
Man, can I even say?
Blesswin.
Can I say?
Blesswin, please check whether you can say the answer.
Man, can I even say?
Yes, Ayman.
Ma'am, it is 12.
12. Okay. 36, 96. We'll check whether you are getting 12. 1 2s are 2, 16.
And
8
can I
2s
say
are
the lowest
16.
term?
Wait. 4 2s are 8, 16. Again 8. Divide by 2.
Ma'am, first I did it with 3.
Hmm.
My
What?
lowest term. Ma'am,
Yeah,
first.
that is any order, no problem.
Ma'am.
So what is the highest common factor? We can
12.
take
12.
2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12.
Can I say the lowest term?
Lowest form. What's the lowest form?
3 by 8.
3 by 8. Now children, look here. We can see that 3, 8. So 3 is the, when you divide 36 divided by 96, you can divide 12, divide here also 12. So when you divide it by 12, you will get here 3, the numerator. And when you divide by here, you will get 8. So 3 by 8. You can check from here also. Okay, children, now do question number D. Okay, children,
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
Let everyone finish. So after this D, we can start word problems. Word problems.
15th question, D answer with, ma'am, what is the answer of 15th question B?
B,
Yes.
5 by 6.
No. D.
5 by 7.
Okay, ma'am.
John Sebi, can you say the answer of question number D, 16? John Sebi, did you finish?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Doing. Question number D, the fraction is 57 divided by 152. 56 divided by 152. Children, please wait. Some children, when I ask, they will say, ma'am, I'm not, I'm doing. And by the time someone will say the answer faster and they are waiting for that answer. So this time, Chris Jo will tell me the HCF. So, now Chris Jo will tell me HCF. Oh, he's in the waiting room. Okay, now who can tell me, who don't tell before can say this answer now? HCF, who can tell me the highest common factor?
Ma'am, Ananda.
Yes, Ananda. Yes, Ananda. Highest common factor. 57 and 152. Find out the highest common factor. By which number we can divide? These common factors we have to find out little difficult, no? Because 2 is not possible, 3 is also not possible. So I think this question we can do common factors also, like 1 into 57. Then 3 times which number?
19.
19. That if you write the common factors, this method is easy because 3 is possible here. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 can be divided by 3. So 3 times 19. So these are the factors of 57. And what are the factors of 152? 1 and 152. This is divisible by 2 because 152 ends with 2 even number. So divisible by 2. So divide 152 by 2.
176.
7 2s are 14. 12. 6 2s are 12. So 2 into 76. Is there any other number? Can we divide by 3? No.
4.
4. So 152 divided by 4.
38.
4 into 3 is 12. 32. 8 into 4 is 32. So 4 and 38. So next one, 5 is not possible. What about 6? Is it possible by 6?
7.
Huh?
19 and 7.
19 and 7. Is there any other number? Is it divisible by 8?
No. Ma'am, 19.
1 minute. Let me check with
1938, 76, 152.
So we have written, this is question number D and 152. We are writing the factors of 152. So we got 1, 2, 4 and 38, 76 and 152. So I'm checking whether it is divisible by 8.
Ma'am, 19 is possible.
1 into 8 is 8.
Ma'am, 18 into 8.
72. 9. So how we will get 19? You have to divide with 8. Then only you will get 19. So 9 into 8 is 72. So you will get 8 is a factor and 9 is another factor. So here we will get 8 and 19. So the highest common factor is 19. So children, when you sometimes you will not be able to understand which is the number to be divided. So that time you can use this method, write the common factors. So here it is divisible by 3. So when you multiply by, divide by 3, you will get 19. Here when you divide, it is even number. So you can start with writing even number 2 into here. Now we can divide by 8.
3 by 8.
So what's the answer? Divide HCF is
3 by 8.
19.
3 by
Highest
8.
common
3 by
factor
8.
19. So divide this number 57 divided by 152 divided by 19 on both sides. What's the answer?
3 by 8. 7.
3 by
3 by 8. 3 by 7. 3 by 8.
8.
3
3
by
by
8.
8. So if you have any doubt, children, multiply this 3 by 8 and check whether you are getting this fraction 57 by 152. Check 19 into
Ma'am, for big
3.
numbers, ma'am, for big numbers, I have not did the together method. I have did that factor method.
Yes, we are also doing here this factor method because some 1 minute 19 into 3, 3 into 9, 27, 2 is carry over, 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So we got 57. Now check with 19 when you multiplied by 8 whether you are getting 152. 9 into 8 is 72. 7 is the carry over, 1 into 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So we got 152. So 3 by 8 is the answer and we cannot divide this number again. So common factor is 19 here.
Ma'am,
Yes, answer.
I have not written that factors and all factor method, but I have written together method for small numbers. For big numbers, I have not written the calculation how to get that here.
So how did you get that when you do both numbers? Did you get the factors to divide?
Yeah, ma'am, I did the calculations in the notebook of the
Okay.
big
You can do
numbers.
like that also, no problem. Anyway, did you get the highest common factor as
Excuse me, ma'am.
19? Yes.
Ma'am, I got
Okay.
90.
Okay. Yes, Simon.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Screen. Okay. Here the highest common factor is 19. How you got that 19? That I have written before, right? I have written the factors of 57 and write the factors of 152. Then you will get the common factors. From that you will get the highest common.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
last question and this question, the
Who is speaking?
D is a bit hard.
Ayman, say louder. I was not able to hear.
Ma'am, ma'am, the last
Yes.
question and this question, the last one, that is D. We have to write the factors, then we can find the lowest term. Ma'am,
Because
so straight together, why can't we do like that?
any method we had to do. We can do any method, but to get the 19, you had to think, okay, we'll see. There is no common factors. We cannot divide by 2. We cannot divide by 3. Then you have to do with more numbers. Then you can
Okay,
do that method. No problem. It is not compulsory. We have to write the common factors and do. Okay.
Ma'am.
So make it easy. Only we have written the factors.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If they are saying you have to do using HCF, you have to use that method, and do division method means you have to do division method. But anyway,
Ma'am, but the last one and this one was HCF.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
HCF
so
only.
they are not telling to use division method.
Because some questions I have given for division method and some questions for HCF.
read the 17th question?
Yes, we are going to do now question number 17. Children, all the
Ma'am,
children
can I-
finished question number 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 4 more minutes are there.
Ah.
Ma'am, we should do it
No
fast.
problem. Yes,
finished
Angelina, read
17.
faster. One question we can complete.
Renu and Surega were completing their homework. Renu completed 3 by 18.
It is Renu, not Reno. Renu.
Okay, ma'am. Renu completed 3 by 18 of her homework while Surega completed 9 by 54 of her homework in the same time. Who completed completed more homework.
Ma'am, we should make it to the lowest term and then find.
You can make lowest term and you can compare who did more.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you
Ma'am,
use
we can use any method.
Huh?
Ma'am, we can use any method.
Any method.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you show how to do it? The steps.
You have to write the steps. I think is there any time to do the steps?
Yes, ma'am. You can just write the steps calculation.
I will write the step. You will do the calculation as a homework. Okay. Question
Okay,
number
ma'am.
17. Part of homework. Children, write faster. Part of homework completed by Renu. Part of the homework completed by Renu. Renu completed its 3 by 18.
3 by
We have done, I think, equivalent fraction. If you do cross multiply, also we can check, I think.
Yes,
Part of
ma'am,
the
we can
homework
check like
completed
that.
by Sureka.
Ma'am, but this concept is by lowest term, right? So we should go to lowest term.
Who completed more homework?
So that means we have to check whether they are equivalent.
We should make the denominator same.
Denominator. This homework completed by Sureka.
Then we can do
We can do when last year. When last year,
multiplying.
us how to do same denominator. So we
Okay.
can
That
do
also
that.
we will do. We will study, children. Don't worry. We will study this in the next chapter, fraction 2. So, children, here
2 by cross multiplying.
cross multiplying. That's what I told you. Now, children, do you do this homework as a homework? What do you have to do? Find the HCF and reduce to lowest term. If you see the lowest term, you have to. You can understand who did more homework. So, did you write these 2 steps?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And find out the HCF and reduce to lowest terms.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you send
We will do it by today.
Ma'am, can you send this question's answer in the WhatsApp?
Before that, I want to do you, all of you try alone. Then only I will send the notes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote with pencil.
Okay,
now.
children, it's the time to wind up the class. Okay. I will send the notes.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
And you have to do this as well.
ma'am.
Before
Thank
evening, you have to complete this question, only the calculation. Reduce to lowest term and check whether they are equivalent.
No.
Yes, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
We can discuss this answer in our next class. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.